Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time. This is where I impart my knowledge from making reviewing almost 3,000 different varieties and garnishing almost all of them. So, yeah, these are my tips and tricks and that kind of junk. So, today we've got one from Japan, and this one was sent by the folks at Zenpop, zenpop.jp. If you happen over there, they have ramen boxes that you can get, subscribe to, stuff like that. So, pretty cool, thank you. And what we have here is a, what is it? It's Acecook. And here is go. Now, there you go. Acecook Negi. Oh, something. Negi something. Negi is green onion. What the other part is, I can't remember at this exact moment. Anyways, the cup. And I have a pot of boiling water. I see the line, and we're going to add the boiling water to the cup. There we go. And this one is going to take 4 minutes to cook. And there we go. I think it's going to be fine, lidless. So, yeah, we'll be good with that. Anyways, what's going on? I don't think I mentioned it, but a couple weeks ago, there was this guy on Reddit. Just drove me nuts. So, I did a post about these little egglet things, because I think they're really cool. I've had a lot of people ask me about them. You can make soft-boiled eggs on your stove just like regularly you would, except you don't have to crack the eggs. You crack the egg into it, and after you spray a little cooking spray in it, and then you pop it out of there and then do whatever you want with it. But you don't have to crack the egg. And I think that's pretty handy. I got 4 of them for 10 bucks, and I thought, well, I'll just give them a try, but I probably won't ever use them more than once, and I've found myself using them often. So, anyways, first comment. It's not hard to do this, and you don't have to get some ad seen on TV thing to do it, and blah 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 blah. And I'm like, I'll tell you right now, I have had the worst luck with hard boiling eggs. I think it's just me. I think there's a curse against me dealing with peeling and hard boiling, all that crap. I've gotten pre-hard boiled eggs at the store. It's cheap, it saves time, I'm down with it, but of course you can't buy, at least I don't think you can buy pre-soft boiled eggs. So this I tried, this I like, and so yeah, the guy's just like flipping out. I was like, yeah, you know, I just don't have time for that crap. He loses his self on it. He's like, blah, 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 blah. I spent 2 years in college working at a deli peeling eggs. Which, that was in the comment. He also, said that he did it for this reason or that reason, stuff like that. But that statement right there immediately just, like, set off my smart-ass alarm. Because it's just like, you spent 2 years peeling eggs. Why did you have to tell me that? I mean, that's just like the most horrible thing I've ever heard of any. That's like horrible drudgery and toil, So, anyways, yeah, it just went back and forth, and finally the guy got just like really nasty, and that was that. And I was just about at the point of quitting Reddit. Because there was another guy that had been a total douchebag at another point too. And then I saw some posts and the guy asking a question about the hot pot, the self-cooking hot pot. So I gave him some info, and he thanked me, and I was like, "Hey, no problem, anytime." And another guy I've been helping out, he's had some questions about stuff, and he thanked me, and he was all stoked. And so I'm gonna stick with Reddit, even though, man, there's a lot of little punks and jerks on Reddit. Let me tell you, it's not the first time. Not the first time that I've come in contact with that kind of crap, that's for sure. And it's too bad because I like the whole concept of Reddit. I mean, when my wife and I got married, we didn't have any witnesses. And one of my friends, he was okay to be a witness, but we needed two. And I was like, okay, all right. Okay. He went on Reddit. Yeah. And he hit up Reddit for a witness. And sure enough, got some dude. Oh, I can't remember his name. Jimmy, Johnny. Nice guy. Even took pictures. It was really cool. He had a really nice camera. Took pictures. It was a cool day. But yeah. All right. So yeah, thank you Reddit for making sure I could get married. That was nice of you. But yeah, you know, kick off that whiny dude with his eggs. Anyways. So this is Acecook Tonkotsu. It's kind of got a clam chowdery kind of smell to it. So yeah, let's give this a try. I'm hopeful for the noodle. The noodle seems like it did all right. Hot stuff right here. And if you're watching this complaining about my fork, enjoy. That's the one thing I get on Reddit the most. How can you not use the chopsticks? I don't have any respect for you not using chopsticks. It's like, okay. Little backbone, not bad. An extremely creamy broth, kind of lighter. Very salty. Very, very salty. Sesame seeds. Wakame? No. It's that mushroom. Oh, that woodier mushroom? Yeah, there's some of that in there too. Alright, so that's not bad. Let's get to here. There's two ways to do this, and the way I like to do it is I dump it in the pot. And then I can kind of position things a little happier. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. First things first. Should we do the chashu first or the egg? I'm thinking the egg. Alright, so these are not the normal eggs that I do. They were out of jumbos. And that was a real bummer yesterday because I like doing the jumbos. So my only question is, I did it for a slightly different cooking time. Well, it definitely pops out easier, that's for sure. So there's that. Skizzers. Snipped. And flipped. And that worked good. that happened the way I wanted it to happen. So that is just Jim Dandy. And now for some garnish, let's do some chashu. I could add some sesame seeds, but they already did that for me, so I'm okay with that. Hi, Miles. How you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, Miles. Oh, he went away. Where'd you go? Did you break something? Don't worry, buddy. When I'm done with this, you will get to have your chocolate. I'm letting Miles try some premium chocolate lately. They had some Japanese, was it Meiji chocolate? He liked that. And then there's some chocolate that I got at a place, or got from a place rather, they gave it to me, called Beta 5 on Industrial Avenue in lovely Vancouver, Canada. And it's a noodle infused chocolate with some peanut and some shichimi, or some togarashi. I shouldn't say it's shichimi. I don't know what kind of togarashi it is, but yeah, pretty cool. Am I missing anything here? No. There's some of that. Spring onion. And speaking of togarashi, I'm going to be using House Foods Shichimi Togarashi today. Should be able to find this at any Asian grocery that's worth their salt. There we go. And there you have it, folks. That looks about right. Let's see how it looks to you. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Doesn't it? Are you okay with that? Will you eat that? Please, will you eat that? Yeah. Alrighty then. Well, that was some Acecook Tonkotsu with some soft-boiled egg, a little further along than I would have liked it. Some salad combo, mung bean sprout, some spring onion, a slice of chashu, and some House Foods Shichimi Togarashi. And so, if you want to check out some other junk that I've videotaped for you, come on over to this stuff over here. There's some junk over there for you to look at. I'm pretty happy with most of the junk that I make, so yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Thanks for watching, subscribe and all that, and have a good one. Bye.